Hey, it's Lon Welsh at Your Castle Real Estate, and I've got our in-house lender, Joe Massey, with us today to talk about what's going on in the real estate market and specifically with mortgage rates. So you may have seen some headlines last week that one of the Federal Reserve governors, Daly, said that it's time to start talking about slowing the pace of the increases for the Federal Reserve rates. And Joe, what does that mean for the mortgage markets?
Yeah, so a really important point, Lon, is the Federal Reserve does not directly impact 30-year fixed rate mortgages. The Federal Reserve obviously impacts interest rates that banks charge one another to borrow money overnight. But that trickles down to the overall economy and that trickles down to mortgage rates, but it's not a direct impact. And when they say, hey, we're not going to be raising interest rates as fast, that's an indication that things have started to sort of level out in the economy, and mortgage interest rates are likely going to do exactly the same and start to level out, which we're seeing as interest rates are settling somewhere between 6.5 and 7.5. What I really like about that is when times are volatile and things are swinging wildly up and down, that can lead to a lot of uncertainty for a buyer of, is it a good time to buy? What do I qualify for? I qualified for this price range last week, but now it's different this week. And that can lead to a lot of folks sitting on the sidelines. Once you get into a more narrow spread of, interest rates are going to be within 0.25%, 0.5%, all of a sudden buyers can have some more certainty of, all right, my payment is going to be in this sort of narrow range. Yes. And it gives them a lot more opportunity to get out and start looking at homes, which helps sellers because they've got a little more certainty about how many people are going to come and look at their home.
Right.
So I think we're getting into a really positive time in the market as we go into the winter. There's going to be a lot of opportunities for buyers. And I don't think that the market is going to continue to slow down significantly. We'll see, seasonality, but I think this is going to be a great opportunity for buyers over the next 90 days.
I mean, historically, the fall is the best time for the buyers, and historically, the spring is the best time for sellers. And I think that is all just sort of amplified this season, probably.
I think you're exactly right. If you guys have questions or want to chat, always feel free to call, text, email. We'd love to talk with you.
Thank you.